Hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Copy and paste is one of the most used features in both PCs and Mac. Unfortunately, normally, you will only be able to copy only the last thing you copied. Microsoft has been working around this, and finally, they have included a feature called Clipboard that lets you copy multiple items across all devices. Hey, what's up everyone, I hope you're doing fine. John here, and in this video I demonstrate how you can be able to copy multiple items across multiple devices. And without so much ado, let's do this, shall we?
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Now, seated in front of me is the document that we are going to use to demonstrate how this clipboard tool works. So in the document I have some text written, get to know it. This is my YouTube channel, and get to know it is where students turn to learn and boost their IT skills. Check out this great channel today. I also have an image below that. So normally what happens is that when we are copying stuff, let's say for example I come and highlight this and I copy. I also come and highlight this and I also copy it. So now if I want to paste that text maybe somewhere below here, I will just come and right click and I can just come and pick one of these pasting options. In this case we are not concerned with the paste option, so I can just pick any. So what will happen is that it will just paste the last thing that I copied. Forget about the clipboard in Microsoft Word, because here we are talking of copying and pasting multiple items across devices and even outside the Office program. So we are not first of all concerned with this. So just forget about this clipboard in Office or in Microsoft Office. So we're just concerned with the new clipboard that has been introduced into Microsoft Windows. So that's what will actually happen. And if I want to paste multiple items outside Office, I cannot be able to do that. I will just be pasting the last thing that I copied. So now that's why we have this tool, and just to demonstrate how it works, I'll just come and select that and copy it. I'll also come and select that and I'll also copy it. I will also select that and I will also copy it. So I'm copying every bit of text that I have here. I will like select everything that I have here. So now, for you to be able to use this tool, the clipboard feature in Microsoft Windows 10, you have to enable it first, because it is not usually enabled by default. So there are two ways that you can be able to do this. So one of the ways that you can be able to do this is opening the settings app. And again, when it comes to opening the settings app, you can be able to do this in two different ways. You can navigate to the start button and then locate this settings gear, or simply, if you love your keyboard or if you're used to your keyboard, you can press the Windows logo key plus I. Windows logo key plus I, so that will open the settings. So after that, you want to navigate to the system, and on the leftmost pane here, you want to scroll down up to the clipboard. So now you're going to find this clipboard feature here and all the settings that you can be able to do. So it will have some information here that reads when you copy or cut something in Windows, it's copied to the clipboard for you to paste. And what we are interested with is this section here, where the clipboard will like take history of everything that you have copied. Like everything that you copy will be like stored in the clipboard, and then you can be able to paste it across different devices. Say you are working on a laptop and then you just switch to the desktop. Anything that you had copied on the laptop, you can be able to access it on the desktop. If you have a phone, you can also be able to do that. So this will be off by default. So what you want to do is to enable it. So just switch that toggle button there, and then now after that, what you'll just be required to do is to place the Windows logo key plus V. So mostly when you want to paste something, we will Control plus C. But now for you to be able to access the clipboard history, so that you can be able to paste different or multiple items that you had copied, you would want to use the Windows key plus V keyboard shortcut, and you'll be able to access the clipboard history. And not just that, we have the synchronization, like sync across devices, so you can be able to paste text on other devices when this one is on. So Microsoft receives your clipboard data to sync it across your devices. So you just have to come and say get started here, and then you're going to use your Microsoft account to go through that process that will be able to help you synchronize or sync the clipboard, so that you can be able to paste the information across different devices. Of course, you need to be connected to the internet, and you need to have a Microsoft account to do that. So I'll not go through that process for now, but it will just be simple. When you just put your Microsoft account email and password, then you're good to go. So you're going to find this, so automatic syncing, so automatically sync text that I copy. So you have to have again that button, or that this radio button on. If you come and switch to this, then you're going to find that it will never automatically sync the text that you will copy. And just in case you have a lot of text that you have copied, maybe over time, you may want to clear that. So there is also an option that you can be able to use here to like clean the clipboard, so that maybe you have new data. So in my case, I don't have any history, so that's why this one is inactive. This is why this one is inactive. So you'd want to have several items in the clipboard for this to work. So that's one of the ways that you can be able to enable the clipboard feature. So just have this one on. So I'll just turn it off so that I show you the other way that you can be able to go about that. So let's say now you are where you are copying items, and maybe you want now to paste. So what you will do, if this feature is not enabled, to enable it, you will just come and press the Windows logo plus V. So if the clipboard is not turned on, you're going to find this button here. So this is the second option of enabling the clipboard. So other than going to the settings, you can just press the Windows logo key plus V. So it will bring this window, and it will have this button. So what you just do is to say turn on. So now the clipboard is turned on. So now what I can now come and do is I can come and repeat what I did. I come and copy that. I also come and copy that as well. I also come and copy that. So I'm copying every bit, so that I can also be able to paste every bit as I'm copying it. So now after that, maybe I'll come and remove that. So say I want now to paste the information here. So what I will do is I'll come and press the Windows logo key plus V. And now what you are going to see is that it will open the clipboard window with everything that I copied. So what I can be able to do, I can now just come and click the item that I want to paste. Say I want to come and paste this. So what I'll just do is just click it, and it will be pasted automatically. Of course, there are the setting options, so you maybe you want to come and pick your default pasting option, so that every time you use that tool, it will be pasting with the paste option of your choice. So again, going back to that clipboard feature, you also notice that we have these three dots here. Upon clicking them, you'll find that you can be able to delete the copied item if you no longer need it, and if it is something that you usually copy most often, then you will want to pin it. So you can, maybe for instance, if it is maybe that one, Sally, let me just repeat that again. I wanted to come and click that and pin it. So what will happen is that now that will be pinned, and it will be appearing everywhere where I use this tool, or everywhere or anytime I place the Windows logo plus V. So this text will be appearing there. And even if I come and say clear all of them, the one that you have pinned will not be deleted. The one that you will have pinned will not be deleted. So for you to be able to delete it, just in case you want to delete it, all you want to do is to unpin it first. So you have to unpin it so that you can be able to clear. You'll have to unpin it so that you are able to clear. So just as a recap, what we are doing here is we are copying different items and also pasting the different items. But we have said for this tool to work, you have to turn it on. And as I've mentioned, by default, this tool will be turned off. So what you want to do is to go to the settings, and we have said you can navigate to the start button and locate the settings gear. So from here you'll find the system group. Just click that, and on the left pane here you'd want to go to the clipboard. So click that, and what you want to do is to turn this clipboard history on. The second option that you can use to turn it on is place the Windows logo key from where you are working from, or from where you are copying items, or where you are pasting items. So just place the Windows logo key plus V, and you're going to see this button that says turn on. So just click that and it will be turned on, and by default your clipboard of course will be empty. So what you can now do after that is to come and copy the items that you want to paste. So you can copy every bit. So in this case I'm just copying line by line so that I can demonstrate how it works. So in your case you may want just to select multiple items. So after that, if I want now to come and paste all that information, say down here, all I want to do is to select where I want the text to be pasted, and then I place the Windows logo key plus V. So now I'll be able to see every bit of what I have copied, and to paste it I'll just be required to come and click it, and just like that the text is copied. The other thing that I have also mentioned is that you can be able to pin something that you would want to be pasting more often. So if, let's say for example, it is this image, I can just come and click these three dots here, and other than deleting and clearing all, I can also be able to pin. So I can just come and say pin. So what will happen with the pinned item is that it will be appearing everywhere where you want to paste, and if you clear the list of the unpinned items, the pinned one will not disappear. So say for example I come and click here and then I say clear all, so it will clear all except the pinned item. So let's maybe try to switch to a different program. Say we go to PowerPoint. We switch on to PowerPoint and see. So just create a blank presentation here, and then say I want to come and paste that thing here. So I can just come and place the Windows logo key plus V, and I'll be able to see that item, and I can be able to just click it and it will be copied there. So that's the same way that you can be able to paste the item from your laptop to your desktop, and from your phone to your laptop, or from your laptop to your phone, either way. So the clipboard will be synced across the different types of computers. Say it's your laptop, say it's your desktop, say it's your tablet, say it's your mention it. Yeah, so that's how you can be able to use the clipboard. So it was a very short tutorial that was just meant to demonstrate how you can take advantage of the Windows 10 clipboard feature that helps you to copy and paste multiple devices across multiple items. Kindly click that like button if you like the video. If you dislike the video, click that dislike button. Share the video to your friends so that we also share this knowledge. And if this is something that you may want to be seeing more often, kindly subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching my video up to the end. See you in the next one.